Reit te. Nodyn Nia.
Oh.
Ti'n barod?
Am I eating fruit today or am I eating any vegetables today?
Animals. Wyt ti'n barod?
Fi barod. Buwch.
Buwch.
Cow.
You've been wanting to say that to me
Buwch.
all morning.
I like saying buwch.
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 A babi buwch?
Small cow, baby cow. Cig.
Calf.
Cigeidion.
Baby cow. Calf.
Calf.
Llo.
Llo. Oh, llo.
Yeah, so llo is a
Little
calf. Yn y cae, in the field, as it should be,
Yeah.
it's a buwch.
Buwch.
Iawn? Ond, ar y blat...
Where it should be.
Ar y blat, cigeidion.
Cigeidion.
Beef.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it changes from...
Oh, yeah,
you don't
it's
say
a cow.
buwch.
No.
From cow
you
to...
don't call that a beef, do you?
Beef.
No,
No.
that's fine.
Iawn?
I get it.
So, cigeidion.
Cig llo.
Cig llo. Fiel.
Veal.
OK, nesa.
Dafad oen.
Yeah. Oen, lamb.
Lamb.
Iawn? So wedyn, cig dafad is mutton. People eat mutton? Yeah.
Don't know.
Dwi'n gwybod.
Don't think so. I don't.
Chi'n bita cig
It's not a
dafad?
popular dish.
A wedyn, cig oen,
Cig oen.
lamb.
Oen.
So literally it's the same, yeah? So you just put cig in front of it.
Okay.
Lamb is meat.
Fine.
Iawn?
Yeah.
Hapus?
Cig. Yeah, hapus. Love
Nesa?
that picture. Nesa. Mochin.
A wedyn, cig mochin
Like the pub.
is
Mochin D. That's what that means.
Yeah.
Black pig.
Yeah. And then instead of cig mochin, you can just say pork,
Pork.
which doesn't come from the English, it comes from the French.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, does it now?
So we're not stealing the English word. A wedyn, cig moch is like bacon. But bacon's
Bacon.
acceptable as well.
Bacon.
Yeah?
So cig moch, what does that mean?
Cig moch, you
Translation.
can either use cig moch or bacon
Okay.
for bacon.
Okay. Okay. Nessa. What's that? A chicken.
Iar.
Yar.
Iar.
Iar.
A wedyn, iar is a hen,
Okay.
cywiar is a chicken.
Right.
And then cyw is like chick.
Like the TV show.
Bach. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, a wedyn, ar y blat, cywiar.
Q, yeah, the same.
Same.
Okay.
Which you like eating lots of.
I do. I
Ti
do
yn
eat a lot of
licio
chicken.
cywiar,
It's
ti'n
a
iawn?
fact. Nessa,
Iawn,
please.
nesa?
No.
Hwyaden.
Hwaden, I always say.
Chwadan.
Chwadan.
Yn y gogledd, chwadan.
Yeah, I'm always with the gogledd, I think, with that. Chwadan.
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 Hwyaden. Del dyn nhw'n da.
Yeah.
Nesa?
Oh, it's the same, is it?
Yeah.
So on the plate.
Ryn ar
Okay.
eto, rhy fath,
Ah, okay.
gwydd, fel hyn.
Gwydd.
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 Because there's a to bach ar y rŵ, so it means it makes it long.
Gwydd.
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 So you see with the birds, it's the same. Gwydd yn y cae, gwydd ar blat.
Ar y blat.
Rhyn
Okay.
fath. Amser Nadolig. Oh, and they used to use saim gwydd, you know, like the fat, goose
I still
fat.
do.
When you've got a sore throat.
Oh, no, I don't do that.
Wrap a sock round your neck with saim gwydd on it.
Where did you grow
My
up?
nan used to do that.
Really? Okay.
Nesa?
Sgwelwch yn da.
Turkey.
Turkey, turkey.
Fel, dwi'n licio mynd i Turkey ar wyliau.
Is it the same?
Rhyn fath.
Oh, really?
Exactly
Is
the
it
same, yeah.
Maybe
Turkey,
Turkey?
y wlad.
Turkey.
Yeah.
Well, Neir, I'm disappointed. Dwi wedi siomi, so there's no meat on the table.
Na i wneud cinio dysil i ti heno, make you Sunday dinner heno.
Diolch.